Hi, I'm Lance Washam, Sales Coordinator here at Alderson Cadillac. I'd like for you to take a moment and enjoy this video.
The 2012 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection, we have great people, we value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.